guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Fashion Wizardry here, aka Matilda, and as you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge, and I'm scared. I don't like this challenge. Just give it a thumbs up because this is out of my comfort zone. So I'm going to turn my thingy because I can see myself. I have no mirror in my vicinity. Let's just get this started with, and make sure you subscribe if you're not, join the family, and let's get right into this challenge. So obviously, to start off, I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to be using the Black Up mattifying fluid mattifiant. That's what you call it. This is actually a challenge. I am so scared to do this because this is not gonna go well. After that, I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm gonna use my favorite. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Polish, and I'm gonna apply this with a brush. Now it's about to get challenging. Generously apply this. So oh, okay. My eyelids. Over there, obviously my neck. I'm so nervous. Then I'm gonna blend this into the flat top brush. So I'm just gonna blend one side in and then move on to the next once I feel like everything's blended. That's well blended. I don't feel any wetness, so. And now I'm gonna move on to my highlighting, and I'm gonna use Fawn today to just highlight my under eyes and get rid of my eye bags. I feel like it's barely getting any out. Like, okay, that's better. A little bit more on this side as well. Then I'm gonna highlight my forehead. Oh, that nose is gonna be so snatched, honey. My chin. I need to highlight my eyelids because I'm gonna be doing shadow to make this challenging. So I don't feel like this is getting out any product. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna use the same brush I used to blend in my foundation just to make sure everything blends in nicely. I'm trying to take measures to make sure that everything is gonna be fine, okay? So blended well, and if it's not, I tried, guys. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go with the fact that that's blended. Then I'm gonna set the under eye with my Sacha Buttercup powder, and the rest of my face with the Maybelline powder. So this is just to set my under eye, make sure everything stays together, honey. We're good now, we're good. Then for the rest of my face, I'm gonna go into the Maybelline Fit Me powder in coconut and just set everything. I feel like everything's looking good. Is it? Is it looking good? I wish you could tell me right now because I need your help. I'm gonna use this sleek highlight and contour kit, and this has a mirror, so I'm just gonna turn it real quick. I can't turn it, so I'm just gonna hold the mirror. I'm just gonna contour. Which is a contour shade? Oh my god. It's a wider one. So I'm just gonna use this to contour my face. Just a little bit. Add some dimension to my face. Is my face like super snatched? Ooh, that's a lot. I can see the powder flying about. Now I'm gonna contour the face, just add some definition. And my chin, of course. My jawline and my chin and everything. I just want everything to look snatched. Next, I'm going to do blush. I'm gonna do blush. So I'm just gonna use this. Pick a lot up. And then you can't really go wrong with blush because you just smile and you place it where you're smiling. So next, I'm gonna highlight with the same sleek contour kit. So taking a fan brush, I'm gonna I hope I'm not touching the contour shade. Okay, so grabbing the closest pencil I could find. This is the L.A Girl pencil, long wear brow pencil. Whew. And I'm just gonna, I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna go with my gut. I feel like my gut is gonna betray me, but it's fine. So I'm just gonna draw that way to join the other line. Am I joining the other line? Are you cringing right now? Is it even drawing? Okay, it is. Okay. Oh god, I can already tell this is a bad brow. So I'm just gonna imitate hair strokes. I wish I had brows, man. This would be so easy. Then I'm gonna brush everything out with a spoolie to help things. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like that's good. Is it good? Now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Blush Neutrals palette. It doesn't have a mirror, so as you can see, it has no mirror, which is convenient. So I'm going to go into this brown, and it's a soft brown shade. That's what I'm going to use in my crease. I really hope it's showing up on my skin tone. Then I'm going to blend that out. Make sure the harshness is not there. So I'm gonna take my time, okay? So I'm gonna go into this gold shade on my lid just to make sure everything shows up and looks good, okay? So I'm just gonna place this on my lid. Actually, I should use my finger because I can tell where my lid is using my fingers. That feels so soft. Then I'm gonna add some to my inner tear duct and some to my nose. Moving on to the thing I was dreading more than the eyebrows. Oh, that was fast. I'm gonna do a wing liner. Oh my goodness, Jesus help me. Oh my god, that's a big wing. It's a really big wing. That's a lot of shadow. It's even showing up on my pencil. I can feel myself messing up. I can genuinely feel myself messing up. So can tell you that went really bad. Then I'm gonna do the other eye. Oh! Oh my goodness. I just poked my eye, man. So I'm just gonna keep them closed and fill that in with them closed. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna leave it at that because I'm messing this up big time. Oh, my eye is, do you like it? Is it fabulous? Then I'm gonna do mascara on my lashes to help with the situation a little bit. So this is so hard. I know you're sitting there thinking, this cannot possibly be so hard. It is. Oh my goodness. I keep messing up my mascara. Then I'm gonna do my bottom lashes, which don't exist as well. So this is a risk I'm taking. I have some of my hair, don't I? Then lastly, I'm gonna go in with lipstick. I don't think there's anything else I've left. I'm not gonna contour my nose because why not? Let's contour our nose. Let's do it. I used the same finger I used to highlight. Oh my goodness, that was stupid. That was really stupid. What? Now I'm sure it looks cakey and muddy. Is my nose snatched? No? Okay. Now to finish off this elegant look, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha liquid lipstick, and I'm just gonna apply that. So I think that's it, guys. This is my final look. What do you guys think? Did I do great? Did I not? Just comment down below before I react to it. So I'm just gonna get a mirror and see how well I did. So yeah. Okay, so I'm scared. I think I look so bad. Anyway, 1, 2, go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. To be honest, I expected it to be much worse. I mean, I missed this, but the nose contouring is very, very harsh. But the lips, I got the whole lip. The blush is well applied and the contour as well. The only thing I messed up was the eyes and of course the nose contour. I just couldn't blend it well. So I have a super snatched nose. And my eyebrows, I completely missed my hairs and just went up and above. Like, what the heck? The eyeliner made, this is horrible. Like the eyes, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know. But I'm not mad at the blending of the foundation and the blush. I'm not mad at the lipstick. Girl, that applied real good. Honestly, I did much better than I thought I would. I am super impressed. Like, I'm impressed especially by the lipstick. So yeah, you guys rate me in the comment section. Let me know how you think I did. It was fun. It was fun. So I challenge you to do this, even with your friends, not necessarily for YouTube. Just have fun. It's a nice way to just test yourself and see exactly how well you know your features. So yeah, that's it from me, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, become a wizard. Come on, I'm judging you. Why haven't you subscribed yet? We're so cool on here. You just saw what we did. This is not everyday looks, okay? We are special. So make sure you subscribe, join the family. We would love to have you here, and hopefully if you're subscribed, I will see you in my next upload, which is gonna be pretty soon, okay? Till then, bye. Woo!